Tubo.
Ay, tinakloban ako ng anak ko. This is my child. It's a French girl.
Vas-y, commence, t'en prends un.
Okay.
J'ai oublié. Sorry.
Oh my God, this is not good. Okay, we have this bag worth of €7.99. Okay, you have this. You can make apple pie or Dixie balls. Meron tayo nito. This one, what you call, you have rice and fish with sauce of oysters. And you have this one. Look, this price you have for €53, and now it's €3.10. You have this one. Ah, c'est crunchy, farci au fromage.
Ah, c'est des gnocchis.
Gnocchi, voilà. It's an Italian food, I think so. Voilà, you have this one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 products. And this one I don't like because it's a rabbit. But you see this one here in French, nakain sita ng rabbit. Pero ako hindi nakain ng rabbit. That's it. And you have the last one. It's like a sausage in the Philippines, tocino. We have this one. It s'appelle, in French, we have this merguez. Okay? The price of this is €14.01. But now it's €9.81. Why are you laughing? And then, all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces worth of €7.99. It's good, huh? Too good to go. Bye.